how to open any apps like that, how to open any apps on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold front screen or lock screen. For that you need to open your setting, and under setting, open your setting, then simply go to advanced feature, and you can see the lab option. Just go to apps allow, just enable this option. Then here you can see the 4 apps only. Now to get more apps, get to multi-star, then your multi-star will be installed like that. Sorry, wait a couple of seconds. Like these apps multi-star. So simply open your get multi-star. Now you can easily add any apps on here. So once all done, now simply go back and enable launch widget. Now go to the last page. For example, I have no page here. Then scroll down, then you can see the multi-star option available here. Press on multi-star. Now select good luck. Now press on go back. Now if you fold up your phone, go to, then you can see all of your apps available. Easily you can run any apps from here. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.